Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Creating wood art is a wonderful way to express your creativity and showcase the natural beauty of wood. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose your wood. Start by selecting the type of wood you want to work with. Different woods have distinct characteristics, such as color, grain pattern, and hardness. Common choices include oak, pine, maple, and walnut. Consider the project you have in mind and choose a wood that suits your needs. Gather your tools and materials. Depending on the type of wood art you want to create, you'll need various tools and materials. Some essential items include a saw, chisels, sandpaper, a carving knife, wood glue, clamps, a wood burner, and protective gear like goggles and gloves. Make sure you have everything you need before you start. Plan your design. Visualize the art piece you want to create or sketch it on paper. This will help you determine the size, shape, and overall composition of your wood art. Consider the style you want to achieve, whether it's a relief carving, sculpture, wood burning, or a combination of techniques. Prepare the wood. Before you start working on the wood, you may need to prepare it. This can involve cutting the wood to the desired size and shape using a saw or other cutting tools. Ensure the wood is properly sanded and smooth so that your art piece will have a professional finish. Start carving or shaping. If you're creating a relief carving or sculpture, use chisels, carving knives, or other carving tools to remove wood and shape your design. Take your time and work slowly, paying attention to the wood's grain and natural patterns. Practice good technique and be mindful of safety precautions. Add details and texture. Use finer carving tools to add intricate details and texture to your wood art. This can include creating patterns, lines, or curves that enhance the overall aesthetics. Be patient and take breaks if needed to ensure precision and avoid mistakes. Sand and finish. Once the carving or shaping is complete, sand the wood to smooth out any rough edges or surfaces. Start with coarse grit sandpaper and gradually move to finer grits for a polished finish. any dust or debris before applying a wood finish, such as varnish, stain, or wax, to protect and enhance the wood's natural beauty. Follow the product instructions for the best results. Wood burning, optional. If you want to incorporate wood burning into your art, use a wood burner or pyrography pen to create designs or patterns on the wood's surface. Practice on scrap wood first to get comfortable with the tool and achieve the desired effects. Display and protect your art. Once your wood art is complete, decide how you want to display or showcase it. You can mount it on a wall, place it on a stand or easel, or incorporate it into functional items like furniture or home decor. Consider using appropriate protective measures, such as sealants or coatings, to safeguard the wood from moisture, insects, or UV damage. Remember, creating wood art takes practice and patience. Start with simpler projects and gradually challenge yourself with more complex designs as your skills improve. Enjoy the process and embrace the unique qualities of wood as you bring your creative vision to life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on art and creativity. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.